Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to balance the equation in the basic medium by oxidation number method. So in the last video, we have learned how to balance the equation in acidic medium. So if you have not watched that video, you can check the playlist and learn that video. So now we are going to learn how to balance by basic medium. Students, before going into the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. So now let us start the video. So here in the question, so this question is taken from NCERT textbook. So here it is given MnO4 minus plus Br minus giving MnO2. Mn is manganese dioxide plus BrO3 minus. So what is the first step? The first step in balancing is you have to find the oxidation state on each element. So here Mn and then Br, Mn and Br. We have to find the oxidation state. So first let us find the oxidation state on this Mn. So let me take here MnO4 minus. So Mn plus 4 times oxygen is equal to minus 1. So here the charge which is present on the ion. So this is the ion. So on the ion the charge present is minus. So take this minus on the other side. So if there is no number, it is understood there is number 1. So minus 1 you have to take onto the other side. So now Mn plus 4 times oxygen has oxidation state of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So Mn minus 8, 4 2s are 8 is equal to minus 1. So Mn is equal to 8 minus 1. So therefore you will get Mn is equal to plus 7 as the oxidation state. So write plus 7 on the Mn. So here I will write plus 7. So next we will write for Br. So here on the Br there is charge minus 1 charge. Therefore the oxidation state will be minus 1 on Br. So next we will find oxidation state on this Mn. So now let us take MnO2. So now Mn plus 2 times oxygen is equal to 0. So if there is no charge on the ion, this is not an ion, so there is no charge on that. So therefore take it as 0. So Mn plus 2 times, for oxygen it is minus 2 oxidation state is equal to 0. So Mn minus 4 is equal to 0. So Mn is equal to plus 4 is the oxidation state. So let us write here plus 4. So next we will find for this Br. Br is bromine. BrO3 minus. So Br plus 3 times oxygen is equal to minus 1. So Br plus 3 times oxygen has oxidation state of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So Br minus 6 is equal to minus 1. So Br is equal to 5 minus 1. Therefore Br is equal to plus. So here you will be getting 6 minus 1. So this is 6 minus 1. So this is equal to plus 5. So here let us write plus 5 oxidation state. So now we have found the oxidation state on each element. So leave oxygen if it is given or hydrogen. So leaving that on the other element we have to find. So Mn has plus 7 oxidation state. Br has minus 1. Here Mn has plus 4 and Br has plus 5. So this is the first step to find the oxidation state. So let me erase this. So now the second step is, so we have to compare and find which is undergoing oxidation and which element undergoes reduction. So compare here Mn, we are going to compare with Mn. So oxidation state, it is changing from +7 to +4. So that is, there is decrease in the oxidation state. So if there is decrease in the oxidation state, it is called as reduction. So here Mn is undergoing reduction. Now compare Br with this Br. So now check the oxidation state. From -1 it is changing to +5. That is, there is increase in oxidation state. So from -1 it is increasing to +5. If there is increase in oxidation state, it is called as oxidation. So here Br is undergoing oxidation. So after identifying which atom undergoes oxidation and reduction, what you should do is, you have to balance those atoms. So here you have one Mn, one manganese, and here also you have one. So it is balanced. Check Br. So Br also, here there is one Br, and here also it is one Br. So they are balanced. So next we are going to balance the charge on the element. So I'll show you how to balance it. So let me write once again the same equation. MnO4 minus +7 here, plus Br minus -1 charge, giving MnO2 +4, then BrO3 minus +5. So now what we have to do is compare the charges. So Mn we are going to compare here. So what is the charge here? +7 and +4. So subtract it. 7 minus 4. How much you will get? 7 minus 4, you will be getting 3. Same way, compare bromine with that of the bromine. So here the charges, here you have -1 and here you have +5. So subtract it. -1 minus 5. So this is equal to, you will be getting 6. So don't take the sign. So here don't take minus. You should not take the sign. So take just the number. So now if it is a number which is a common multiple, so 3 and 6 you will get in 3 tables. So 3 ones are, you can cancel, 3 twos are, you can cancel. So I'll be cancelling this. 3 ones are 3 and here 3 twos are 6. So now you have to cross multiply. So how you are going to cross multiply is, 1 you have to multiply with bromine, 1 into Br and 1 into BrO3 minus. So this 2 you have to multiply with Mn. MnO4 minus 2 times and then MnO2 2 times. So let us multiply 2 times MnO4 minus plus 1 time Br minus, giving rise to 2 times MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. So now what you should do is, you have to balance the charge on the ions. So how you will balance it? So here what is the charge on this ion? So the charge on this ion is -2. How you are getting it? So 2 into -1. So 2 into -1 you will be getting 2. Here there is 1. 1 into -1 you will be getting here 1 as the answer, -1. So here it will be -1. So here you check. So here there is no charge. So therefore here it will be 0. So there is no charge. This is not an ion. So next here you check. So here there is 1 minus here. So -1. 1 into 1 will be -1. So here you will be getting -1. And here if you see, -2 minus 1 will be -3. And here it will be -1. So the charge is not balanced on the ion. So here to balance the charge, what I have to do is, on this side, here there is -1 and here it is -3. So to balance, here I have to add -2. Only then it will become -3. So I have to add -2 on this side. So therefore here I have to add 2 times OH minus. So since it is basic medium, we have to add OH minus. If it is acidic medium, we have to add H plus. So here I'll be adding 2 times OH minus on this side. So I'll write here add 2 times OH minus. On which side you will add? You will add on this side. So therefore we can write 2 times MnO4 minus plus Br minus, giving rise to 2 times MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 times OH minus. Correct? So now you have to add water on the other side because you have to balance hydrogen. This side you have hydrogen, on the other side there is no hydrogen. So to balance the hydrogen, you have to add hydrogen, that is you have to add water on this side. So how many times water you will add on this side is, it depends on this. So here if you have added 2 times, so you have to add half the number of water on the other side. Here if it is 2, here we have to add 1 time water. Suppose here if it is 4, then we have to add 2 times water. So here what is there? Half of this write on the other side as water. Since 2 times OH minus, half of 2 will be 1. So 1 time water I have to add on this side. So therefore I will write here add 1 time water, or just H2O is same. Add H2O on this side. So I will write the final equation as 2 times MnO4 minus plus Br minus plus H2O, giving rise to 2 times MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 times OH minus. So this is the balanced chemical equation. So now this is for the basic medium. So stepwise you have to go through. So here it is by oxidation number method. So students, go through it once again. So if you are finding it difficult or if you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So I'll meet you in the next video, students, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.